Hello, everybody. I'm happy to be with you again this morning. Let's start off our day with the mind moves. Let's tune our brain first. Let's rub our ears. Rub, rub, rub. Rub, rub, rub. Remember all the way to the bottom. Okay? Good job, everybody. Let's rub for the second time. Rub, rub, rub. Remember, you can ask your mommy or your daddy or your granny or your sister or your brother to rub your ears for you if you're lazy. But I think it's good if you rub them yourself, hey? Yes, good job. All the way to the bottom, and let's start again all the way from the top. Let's rub. Rub, rub, rub. Rub, rub, rub. All the way to the bottom. Good job. Now we are going to use our left hand to wave this side. Just wave this side. And use your right hand to wave on the other side. Your left hand again, let's wave this side. And our right hand, let's wave this side. You are doing well. And one last time, let's wave this side. And our right hand, let's wave this side. Good job, everybody. Well done, boys and girls. Now we are going to do the rise and shine. Let's breathe in. Breathe out. Give yourself a big hug. Say, I love you. I love you. Let's breathe in again. Breathe out. Give yourself a big hug. Say, I'm kind. Yes, because you are. And one last time, breathe in. Breathe out. Say, I'm special. Good job, everybody. Now, can we sing our hello song? Hello, everybody. Hello to you. How are you? How do you do? Hello, everybody at home today. Hello, hello to you. Good job, everybody. See you soon again. Bye for now.
Good morning, everybody. Did you all have a good sleep? I'm so glad. Okay, are you ready to wave hello to everybody? 1, 2, 3. Hello, everybody. Hello to you. How are you? How do you do? Hello, everybody at school today. Hello, hello to you. Yeah, well done. Okay, now we're going to sing our next hello song. So rise and shine and welcome to school today. Rise, shine and welcome to school today. Rise and shine and welcome to school today. We're so glad you're here. And I'm very, very, very happy to see you all this morning. What about good morning number 1? Can you show me your thumbs? That's it. Let's go. Good morning number 1. The day has just begun. Good morning number 2. Good morning to you. Good morning number 3. I'm happy you see. Good morning number 4. And then we go one more. Good morning number 5. It's good to be alive. Good morning, everyone. Let's learn and have some fun. Do you remember yesterday I read you the story about the magic word please? So today I'm going to read you the story about thank you. 2 words we all need to remember. Kind Squirrel has shared her acorns with Little Squirrel. What do you say? Asks Mummy Squirrel. Ooh, and yummy, and thank you, You're welcome. Little squirrel and kind squirrel tuck into their tasty acorns. Clever owl has fixed little fox's broken kite. What do you say? Asks Grandpa Fox. Yippee! And hooray! And thank you. You're welcome, says Owl. Little Fox and Clever Owl play with the kite together. Helpful Otter has rescued Little Mole's hat from the stream. What do you say? Says Grandpa Mole. Phew. And it's soggy. And thank you. You're welcome. Little Mole gives Helpful Otter a big smile. Grandma Bear has bought a present for Little Bear. What do you say? Asks Daddy Bear. Yay! And exciting. And but Little Bear's forgotten what to say. Can you help him remember? Thank you. Thank you. You're welcome. Now everyone knows what to say when someone is kind. When someone does something for you, gives you something, what do you say? Thank you.